Diffusion can either be simple or it can be facilitated. Now, what is simple diffusion? Simple is when I don't require a carrier protein. So generally here, you can either go through the membrane very freely like lipid soluble substance. This is my zone. Or I could use channels like water. Water is important. And then other things can also use channels. Other things can also use channels. I mentioned ions. Now, when we come to facilitated diffusion requires carrier proteins that are very selective, and then we also call it carrier-mediated diffusion. I mentioned that why they are selective is that they can only bind to a particular type of thing. Please, an example here, our glucose transporter. So when we transport glucose, and even when we transport most amino acids, so glucose transporters, we hear of GLUT4, for example, that is dependent on insulin.